This is Jean-Marc Steiger of Société Générale, which is the leading French financial institution, okay? Let's see what they offer. Hold on. A company that offers a wide range of banking and financial services, okay? It serves individual, corporate, and institutional clients globally, operating through its French retail banking, international retail banking, and global banking and investor solutions segments. Okay, here's more. Take a screenshot if you need to. I've been showing y'all exactly how every financial institution has come to the table and told y'all exactly what they want, which is a stablecoin, guys. Come on, like and share, run this up, man. Y'all got to understand what's around the corner. XRP is what you need. This is for entertainment purposes, okay? Run it up.
Société Générale subsidiary is at the forefront of institutional blockchain adoption, providing custody and tokenized bond issuance for major financial players. Its recent integration with Bitpana's platform has broadened access to its EurCV stablecoin across European markets. Joining us now with more is Jean-Marc Steiger. He's the CEO of SG Forge. Jean-Marc, thanks for joining us.
Good morning to everyone. Thank you for having me with you today.
So we were just talking about stablecoins. This market is projected to explode this year. Where do you see yourself in the map amid tough competition from Tether and Circle, the incumbents in the space?
Yeah, sure. Maybe first, before jumping on the subject, I want to share that I'm very happy to be with you today. Actually, I personally take it as a great sign of this convergence which is happening in between the more traditional banking industry and the crypto industry. And definitely, Société Générale, we want to be at the forefront of that. This move we made last year in launching our own stablecoin, the Euro convertible, was, I think, a great example of that, and we are definitely willing to expand in that front. So competition is fierce, exactly. The market is already well structured around key players in the space. We think at Société Générale Forge that the story is just starting, actually, for stablecoin. It's a critical asset for a number of use cases in the crypto industry. It's also going to be a very critical asset in more traditional finance for wholesale banking operations, for retail markets. When it comes to payment, prospects for growth of these type of assets are just extraordinary. We do think that there is a place for banks, definitely for an innovative bank like Société Générale, and bringing a new product in the market which is very different, probably more robust, more secured, fully compliant to the MiCA regulation we now have in Europe in this market, I think is something clients, investors in this industry are expecting, are looking for, and I mean, based on the feedbacks we are receiving from the market, I think we are very optimistic for the development of this product.